Analyze the graphs provided and determine where in each graph has the object taken a U-turn. Okay, so it's time for you guys to pause and have a look. Right? So first thing is, what kind of graph are we looking at? This is a position time graph. And now we can call this as, say, T1 for me to communicate to you guys. This I'll call it as T2 and this is T3. Question is, where is the object taking a U-turn? At T2, where is the object? At origin. Right? So it's quite simple. In position time graph, things are quite simple. Everything is, you can take this as the origin, as in when it passes 0 or the x-axis, that's where it is at the origin. So obviously between going forward and coming back somewhere along this journey, it has to take a U-turn, and that is a clear cut T1. This is where the U-turn is happening. So object is turning back at T1. Now the same graph, what is the difference over here? Yes, this is a velocity time graph. Can you tell where is the object taking a U-turn? Is it at T1? Is it at T2 or T3? In this case, this represents speeding up. It is slowing down. And this is where the object is, yes, turning, and it is going back. So basically in this case, the answer is U-turn happens at T2. Okay, guys, can you see the difference? So here, the U-turn is very clear. But here, the U-turn happens at T2. So let me actually show this to you guys. Okay. Now, yes, it's not a straight line per se, but the point here is, can you see this? The U-turn happened around 5 seconds, if I'm right. Let me see. We need to zoom in here a bit. Yeah, around at 5 seconds. And see what's happening here at 5 seconds in velocity time graph. It's passing the origin and the value post that is negative. Again, it's not exactly the values that I took over here. It's not exactly, a rounding number. So you're not getting an exact answer, but you can see that it's happening. Around 5 to 6 seconds is where the U-turn is happening in the displacement time graph. It's nowhere close to origin. Can you see that? It's nowhere close to origin, the displacement time graph. While the velocity time graph, it's clearly crossing the origin, x-axis basically. I meant not origin, I meant x-axis. It's nowhere close to x-axis, the displacement time graph. But here, the velocity time graph, it's passing the x-axis. Can you see that? While distance time graph, it will keep on increasing. It keeps on increasing.